growing your business past $50,000 a month becomes so much easier when you know who to actually target in your city, who is willing to pay you the most amount of money, who needs your service, and which industries are untapped. Where can you take over in your city right now? And so if you're watching this, you are in luck. I'm going to give you a breakdown of the top 5 industries that are willing to pay you a premium, and I'll even show you the winning creatives as well. That way you can literally go replicate this into your own business, especially if you're a videographer, content agency, or marketing agency. This would better be a big cheat code for you. And so you need to understand that not every industry works in every single city. For instance, pool contractors absolutely print here in South Florida, right? But they don't do so well in Ohio. Like, I'm from Ohio, and like, dude, 6 months out of the year, it's horrible weather. And so not every industry works in every city. But these top 5 work everywhere. And we have proven results for each one of them in every single city. So no matter where you're at, you can absolutely print with these industries. And first one is mobile detailers. I want to dive into this for a second. Mobile detailers is an untapped market. Absolutely untapped. Right now, if you're running ads, or if you're trying to target people in your city, you need to understand that there's industries like mobile detailers who are going after the B2C markets, and almost everyone has a car. And people are willing to pay $100 to get a detail. So for them to get insane results is very, very simple. Very, very easy. And it's very simple to do this, and we have proven ads for every single, in multiple different industries. These are like the outliers, the actual killers that absolutely crushed and saw the craziest results. And not only that, like, we have winning ads for almost every industry, like barber school, barber shop, car salesman, chiropractor, right? All of my clients get access to all the winning ads and all the metrics as well. That way they can leverage this and to go close some deals in their city. We've already done it all. We've already cracked the code for these industries. But what we're seeing is mobile detailers seems to be an outlier right now. So let's go into number 2 or number 4, right? We're going 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The top, the 2 and 1 are like the craziest outliers. Like, we're seeing insane results for these guys. And so number 4, dog trainers. Most of them get booked out 60 days out. I will show you the actual winning ad for this dog trainer as well. But again, they're getting insane results like this. $200 in ad spend, $8,300 collected with $6,000 more to collect. Insane results. 1,000 followers in the first week of running an ad. Insane. This funnel absolutely crushes, bringing followers in, helping your clients with a setting framework, and letting them just start converting leads left to right. Absolutely insane. Let me show you the actual ad as well. Look at this. 3,682 likes. The engagement on this guy blew up.
Denver, struggling to get your dog to listen, and it's stressing you out? The truth is, most dog behaviors won't fix themselves. They just need leadership, structure, and...
It's not like the craziest video either. It's not like cinematic and like all these like crazy features, all these crazy edits. No, good copy is very simple, straight to the point, and hitting the right type of demographics, showing them, hey, you have this problem, I have this solution.
A proven training method that actually works. At Word of Mouth Dog Training, we've helped...
Again, this guy blew up in the city, right? Like, dude, for a dog trainer, he's doing extremely well. 2,800 followers, starting to get, like, look at this, 357,000 views, starting to get more and more people engaging with his content, and absolutely prints for them. I have another industry I'm going to break down, and I'll show you that video as well. And so, dog trainers crushes it for these guys. So let's go into the next part. So here's the thing, though. I'll be honest. If you're a videographer, or if your offer is just content, you are screwed. If you're just selling content and there's no ROI attached to your offer, it's very hard to grow your business. You need to help your clients win. Content plus local ads equals higher paying clients. And clients that literally stick around and pay you significantly more money. And I'll show you with these industries. I'll show you what kind of results you can get for your clients, which then leads to them sticking around for years and not a couple months. And there's so many service businesses in your city that need your help building a local brand, and they're marketing like it's 2012. They have no clue how to market. They're relying on Google. They're relying on word of mouth. It's actually kind of brutal for these guys. And so, again, here's the thing you need to understand. No matter what industry you go after, if your offer sucks, you're not going to close them. Your offer needs to be attractive. Content plus local Instagram ads crushes right now for these guys. Number 3, real estate agents. No, I'm not talking about house tours. No, I'm not talking about you going around filming the house and charging $250, like, and trying to scale up your business. That sounds like brutal. No. Our clients are charging $6,000 to $10,000 implementation fees to these real estate agents, and then charging like $2,000 to $3,000 a month as a retainer. And so they're getting insane results. Real estate agents, one of my clients, Chris, just launched an ad. I think it might be for this guy. And he closed a $3 million listing and then helped them buy another $1.7 million house. So he made like $100,000 in commissions within 2 months of running a local Instagram ad. They start blowing up. Let me show you what an actual real estate agent looks like. So again, you need to help real estate agents with content plus local ads. I personally don't like working with real estate agents. I think it's, I don't truly see them as business owners, and I think that there's a longer cycle. Essentially, when they come in, leads come in, they have to go show them houses or whatever. From the day they get a lead to the day they get a commission, or is too long for them to be like, oh man, this is cool. But I'm seeing like the top agents and the really solid real estate agents that aren't so fixated on getting an ROI within 2 seconds. They absolutely print with the strategy. Let me show you this ad for Kelly.
If you're looking for the perfect home in San Antonio, pay attention. And it's never been easier to find a deal in this market. In fact,
Nothing crazy. You see, like the ad is not like anything crazy whatsoever. This blew up her brand. 1.9K likes. This blew up her brand past 10,000 followers. She took off. Everything took off for her business because of that. Imagine being able to tie that outcome to the result in your offer that you're selling, right? So real estate agents is number 3. And I'm not even trying to say like, hey, this won't work for a bunch of all these service businesses. Like, I know this is absolutely printing for landscaping services, really doing really well for junk removal companies, like extremely well for some of these guys, like extremely well. I'm just telling you the outliers. What I'm seeing is a common theme where these guys, as soon as they use this strategy, they just print every single time if they put in the work, right? And so number 2, we're getting into the top 2. Let's go. So number 2 is beauty and aesthetics niche, and they get insane results. Many of them have doubled their clientele within 60 days. Some of them are getting a ROAS of 21x. If you don't know what ROAS means, return on ad spend, right? And so look at this. Every dollar they put in, $23 back. So $10,000 in, $200,000 out. And I think they're spending about $5-6K a month on advertising and making $100,000 back. Insane. Insane. As my guy Josh over here helped his client. He got a cool case study with her. And so med spas is a insane niche that we're seeing like really good results for. And again, I do want to outline this before I get into number 1. I want to show you that like no matter what you do, your offer needs to be a new offer. It needs to be a blue ocean offer. Something that is attractive. It can't just be content, and it can't be an outdated funnel or marketing, like lead form ads or whatnot. It needs to be in the in-between. Content plus local ads. That way you're helping these businesses build a local brand. And when they build a local brand, they stand out because no one's doing this yet. This is untapped. It's a blue ocean offer. And like, I'm so certain that it's a blue ocean offer because we're helping 300 marketing agencies, content agencies, videographers do this right now. Look at this. Today, $6,000 paid in full for Aurelio, $6,500 down for a junk removal company. Derek's the man. Let's go. Let me show you this. I want you to see what's actually, this is like our winners chat. We have over 200 winners in here right now. Jacob, 7K deal. $8,000 deal for Chris. Every freaking day, another $8,000 deal. Look at this. First $6,500 paid in full. $2,000 deal, $6,000 deal, $7,500 deal. I could scroll for years. We've been doing this for such a long time. Fernando over here, like crushing it, 6K deal. Look at this, absolutely insane. $8,000 deal. It's pretty cool to see. This is what happens when you actually get your clients' results. When you make people money, $5,000 deal. Again, that's for an auto detailer. I already know he's getting really good results. Every single day we have people posting wins in here. And some of these are bigger than you would expect. $93,000 a month for Lowe's. $93K a month. Tyler had a $50,000 a month and then went to the beach with his wife and he's like, dude, we're about to crush it next month and have a $60K a month. He's like, dude, I can't believe I'm working on my laptop like this. $50,000 in the last 3 days for Natalie. Dude, I'm sorry, but I'm not sorry. I'm gonna keep flexing my client wins because your reputation is everything. And we have such a good reputation helping these marketing agencies and videographers absolutely crush it. And so, not sorry, you're gonna keep seeing my wins. Number 1, let's go. Home improvement contractors. Absolutely prince for these guys, especially in the residential home improvement space, right? And so, Roel said, my client's pretty happy, right? He spent $5,000 on ads, $204,000 back, 36x return on ad spend. Every dollar they put in, $36 out. Ridiculous, ridiculous. And guess what happened? Roel charged him $10,000 implementation fee, and then after a month of working together, he charged him a $5,000 retainer for the next 12 months. So another $60,000. So the lifetime value of that client was over $70,000, and he'll probably renew again. This is what happens when your clients get insane results. Look, his client made $100,000 in his first month. Like, this crushes right now for contractors in the home improvement space. We have some of their winning ads as well in this document. Again, that's only for Inner Circle clients that we're helping one-on-one. And so, absolutely insane. You guys need to be going after these industries. We've literally helped the top people in the space. You might have seen Luke's face over here. Luke's doing over $200,000 a month right now. Los actually did $93,000, and I think he cracked 100 last month. I need to send him his $100,000 plaque. And then Reyes, $100,000 a month as well. We do these little client retreats as well. This was in Costa Rica. It's pretty cool. But they fly in and we celebrate the winners. Again, here's their Instagrams. If you want to go find out what they do, right? They all do the same thing because we've been helping them implement this offer. And so, if you're trying to scale up and you want one-on-one help, you want us to create your offer, dial it in, that way you stand out, script your ads for you, help you launch your ads the right way, give you a proven setting framework, proven sales framework, and work with you one-on-one. And if you want to be around a group of winners, because when you're around dudes making 100K, 200K a month, you don't think small anymore. You just don't. It like breaks every limiting belief. You're like, huh, if that guy could do it, I could do it as well, right? If you want that, book in a call down below. We'll do a deep dive into your business, see if this is a good fit for you. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Get after it. Go close some of these deals.